All right, so we're out here at Electrify Expo Long Beach with Empire Custom Wraps. They used to be in their, their family garage back home, cranking out cars, and they just opened up their own shop. So, what's it like being at Expo this year?
Honestly, it's pretty cool. It's the first time we've ever actually came out here, so it's different to see all the cars that are wrapped, everything that's going on here. We also brought 3 of ours just here, and then there's another 2 on the other side that we've wrapped. So it's kind of cool to, kind of see our cars that are here as well, kind of representing Empire Custom Wraps too.
Awesome. And which of these are yours?
So this one is actually a fully custom wrap from We Print Wraps, 100% customized by them. This one also, we ended up doing the full wrap on it, interior ambient lighting, all kinds of stuff on the inside as well as inside on this. This one we've done the airbag tanks wrap.
Awesome.
And then installed the airbags on this one as well. So we do a lot more than just wraps, which kind of allows us to do a lot of stuff with Tesla. So
yeah, we want to be your one-stop shop for all things Tesla. So anything you can think of for your Tesla, we've got it.
Awesome. So you do wraps, interior lighting, the special effects,
accessories, underbody lighting, air ride suspension, wheels, calipers, painting as well, window tinting, PPF. So
anything.
Wow.
Yeah. So basically,
what don't you do? What don't you do yet?
Well, that's still a big question here.
Nothing mechanical, though, right? No drive units or anything.
No, not yet. Not yet. We haven't been asked to do that yet.
And also recently, you got some other news. You finally got your own Tesla, right?
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did.
What'd you guys get?
We got the Tesla Model 3 Performance. 2020, we ended up actually getting it for a pretty good deal.
Did you clock in that used EV credit?
Not yet.
Oh, okay, but you're gonna get it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, good.
And we ended up actually wrapping that right before we went to EV Fest in
April.
Yeah.
And you're gonna come out to the next EV Fest, right?
Oh yeah.
Of course.
That's gonna be a big
we're gonna be running deep again. So.
Yeah.
All right. Now we just got to get you to come on one of the zero runs.
Hey now.
I know.
Now that you got a full EV, you can join the zero runs. Vegas, baby.
Yeah.
Vegas,
we've been talking about that, so I think that's something that we're really interested in doing as well. So.
Well, let's go take a look at your vehicle.
Let's do it.
All right, so here it is. Here's your Model 3. What did you do with it?
So with our Model 3, we did the wrap on it, which is a matte black gold from Aura Vinyl. We ended up putting the lip kit on it, which is kind of like an Adro style, more of a ABS, not carbon fiber. Ended up doing window tint all throughout. I rolled down the windows, but on the other side it's 5%. Did all the window tint, did the side skirts on it. Ended up embossing our logo on the side, just so it's more of a subtle kind of take on our logo, so it's not so much in your face.
And if is this your daily now?
Yeah, so this is our daily.
So you want to advertise, but not like all the time, right?
Don't want it to look too commercial.
Correct.
Still want it to be like nice and sweet.
We have RGB X-Men tail lights in here, so they actually change colors. We got these from Air Tesla USA. We did the dash screen here as well, so that's going to be your heads-up screen.
Nice.
And then the yoke, we did that in white. We removed the factory yoke out of it. Did the yoke in white from Air Tesla as well. And then in the back, we also have the back screen from them also.
This is the one mod I was thinking about doing for the inside. Get
and
that
then,
refresh feel.
Yeah, and then there's a lot of other mods that we've got coming. We just have to install them. So we've got the auto present door handles, soft close door hinges, as well as the tilt screen and the interior ambient lighting on the 2020 version. So we've got that coming. We're hoping to get that done by the 8th because we are going to the light show at AV's after dark.
Oh yeah, a week from now we got the light show.
Yeah, so we got to get all that done before that show.
So now that you have your own Tesla, is this basically your prototype machine, your test bed?
I think it's just more or less just our way to show people like what can be done to the cars. So what we always kind of figured is if people can see what we're doing, see what's possible by coming to the shop and be like, hey, well, I can look at that. You guys did this. You guys did the window tint. Here's the screens. That kind of gives us an ability to allow them to touch the stuff as well as see it in person. So I think that's when we bought the Tesla. We kind of started saying, hey, we got to do everything to it that we can.
Yeah.
We've got
seeing everybody else have so much fun modifying their Teslas. I'm like, oh, now we get it. Like the passion has totally transferred, and we get it, and we're just. I love this car, honestly.
Yeah.
Awesome. So this is EV number 1.
Yeah.
Do you now have the bug to get an SUV?
No,
because you guys still have the
not yet.
4Runner, right? You got
No, I still got the 4Runner. We still
Okay.
have the Lexus that we rent out to our customers from time to time. So we still have those cars. I drive the 4Runner every day, so it's not like I've given up on the 4Runner, but I do like being able to have this because it does give us more of an ability to be more personable with your guys' industry as far as Tesla is concerned, and that's what we specialize in. So why not have one?
Of course. All right, so congrats again on joining the EV Tesla family, SoCal EVs, Tesla Club SoCal, all of that. Excited to see you bring your vehicle to all of the events that we do, including next week. We got the night event coming up. I think it's in Burbank, right?
Yeah.
So how can people get a hold of you? Where are you at? Are you on Instagram? Your website?
So we are on Instagram under Empire Custom Wraps, Facebook Empire Custom Wraps.
Empire Custom.
Custom Wraps. We've got Yelp, Google, the website www.empirecustomwraps.com. That's going to give you every link to every page we've got, including YouTube. Not as active on YouTube, but at least we still do have videos on there. But the most easiest way for you to message us is on Instagram.
Awesome. And where are you located in case people got to bring their car?
We're in Temecula, Old Town, so right outside of Old Town, Temecula. So it's very convenient for whoever wants to come by. If you guys are dropping something off for a little bit, there's always food, drinks, everything over there to go ahead, and wineries to just go ahead and hang out while you're getting your car worked on. Pachanga.
And you had you partnered up. You hosted an event there, right?
Yeah, we hosted it with Tesla Club SoCal, SD Tesla Club, Sexy Wheels, and then we were actually just signing on with Seat Skins as another representative for them. So we're going to start kind of seeing a lot more come out of the shop as well.
Awesome. When do you think the next event at your site will be, do you think?
Well, we're in discussion right now with Tesla Club SoCal for a event in Lake Elsinore,
Okay.
as well as Vista. So we're trying to get all that
very
figured
cool.
out, just because it's closer to us, allows everybody that's around us that's done wraps with us to kind of actually come to it.
Yeah.
So we're kind of looking at that. We're also in the midst of talking about like the 1 year of the shop, possibly doing a 1 year grand opening again.
Kind of like an annual
Yeah.
thing that might
There
be
you
kind of
go.
fun. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's a nice spot. It's right off the freeway. You get a lot of
Yeah.
visibility there.
Oh, yeah.
It's not too far from San Diego. If you're in San Diego County, they're just over the county border to come get a wrap or customization.
Yeah.
I saw you guys show me the Starlight stuff you put in there. That's amazing. So if you want to totally get your car looking custom, go to Empire Custom Wraps in Temecula, California. And what's been your favorite part of Expo?
I think it's just been really awesome to see like all the modified Teslas here. All the conversions have been really cool to see. Even the MachE, the drifting that they've got going on over there.
Oh, the rally MachE? Yeah.
Cool, yeah.
That's been pretty cool.
How many MachEs have you guys done, do you know?
One.
We've done one. We did
yeah.
a matte orange.
Yeah.
So if you
from
have
white
a-
to matte orange.
If you have a MachE, reach out to them. It's not just Teslas, but they like Teslas, but they also like any business.
We basically do most cars, as long as it's something that we're interested in doing, as well as it's got to make sense to us. But a majority of ours, like I said, we specialize in Tesla. We specialize in all that with accessories, EVs. We've done Sorrentos, we've done other cars. It's not like we don't. We've got a BMW in the shop right now, so it's not like we're just doing Teslas, but that's what we specialize in.
Awesome. Well, it's so great to see you out here at Expo, and follow them anywhere you can get. Reach out to them. They do great work. Thanks for coming out.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, I like this. Like to be like this. Be like, hey, so.
What he said.